Procedure for replacing the membrane without intermediate flange. The operations described must be carried out exclusively by qualified personnel or specialist maintenance technicians. Personnel required. 1. Operator. Wear PPE, work gloves, and secure the work area. Check that there are no obstacles around the press that could impede movement. 1. Securing the press. Press the emergency stop button. Select Manual Mode on the control panel and disable the vacuum pump in the Enable Devices screen. Ensure that the tray is empty and positioned on the loader. 2. Removing the membrane. Start the machine. Place the tray inside the press. Press the Emergency Stop button. Unhook the membrane from all the clamps by pressing the appropriate levers. Fold the 4 sides of the membrane into the tray. Restart the press and place the tray on the loader. Remove the membrane from the tray. Three. Fitting the new membrane. Place the new membrane on the clean tray and spread it out evenly, ensuring that the smooth side is facing downwards. Fold the 4 sides inwards into the tray as done previously. Place the tray inside the press. Press the Emergency Stop button. Stretch the 4 sides of the membrane fully. Position the 4 corners of the membrane in the clamps without pulling so as to center it. Now proceed with the remaining clamps, again without applying tension. First on the short sides, then on the heating side. And finally on the opposite side. Then proceed with tensioning. Starting from the 4 corners, pull the membrane firmly into the clamps, continuing on the short sides, on the heating side, and finally on the opposite side. If necessary, repeat the procedure following the same sequence. Start the machine. 4. Checking correct assembly. Activate the vacuum pump from the control panel. Within 30 seconds, the membrane should adhere completely to the upper surface. Warning: if it takes longer or does not adhere, press the emergency button and check the suction of each clamp. If there are any abnormal creases, press the emergency button and repeat the clamping procedure. During operation, it may be necessary to periodically repeat the membrane clamping procedure.